Bombo Sports News.
Update pa rin po tayo mga kabombo. Meron pong ilang mga exclusive interview ang Bombo Radio Iloilo. Kaugnay pa rin po dito sa gaganapin nga na Southeast Asian Games. Meron pong 2 Ilongga na miyembro po ng National Climbing Team. Handa na pong sungkitin ang gold medal sa Southeast Asian Games 2025. May exclusive report ang Bombo Radio Iloilo.
Handa na ang 2 Ilongga na kakatawan sa Pilipinas sa sport climbing sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand. Sila ay sina Justin Arungayan, 18 anyos, at Attorney Joe Ala, 33 anyos, kapo-residente ng Haro, Iloilo City. Mahigit isang dekada na ang lumipas mula nang huling maisama ang sport climbing sa SEA Games na huling napanood noong 2011 sa Indonesia. Sa pagbabalik ng kompetisyon ngayong taon, target ng Philippine National Climbing Team na masungkit ang gintong medalya para sa bansa. Aabot sa 11 na athletes ang ipapadala ng Pilipinas sa sport climbing, kabilang sina Ala at Arungayan. Ang SEA Games na tinaguriang pinakamalaking multi-sport event sa Southeast Asia ay opisyal na magsisimula sa Martes, Disyembre 9. Narito si Attorney Joe Ala.
So our training went very smoothly naman. We started 4 or 5 months ago. We had funding for coaches and boot camp. And right now, we did everything that we could para maging the best prepared that we can be.
Narito naman si Justin Arungayan.
Of course, thank you so much for the support. And whatever happens, the Philippine climbing team has worked very hard. We've put everything first for this competition, and then this was a very life-changing experience for me. So whatever happens, we will do our best.
Mula dito sa Bombo Radio Iloilo, para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Jodel Noliaga. And this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and the most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.